Today, these two headlines are really the same story. Micron is surging, while Bloomberg reports Apple is raising Mac and iPad prices. On the surface, one is a chip rally and the other is consumer electronics inflation. In plain English, AI is not a free lunch. It is pushing hardware costs onto the bills of every technology company. Why is Micron rallying? Because AI does not only need GPUs, it also needs HBM, DRAM, SSDs, and thousands of memory and storage parts inside data centers. Memory used to be treated as a cyclical commodity. In the AI cycle, memory is becoming compute infrastructure. Whoever controls scarce supply gets pricing power. So Micron's move is not just about a good earnings report. It shows profits flowing toward the tightest link in the AI supply chain. So why is Apple under pressure? Not because Apple does not understand AI. Apple sells end devices. Macs and iPads also need memory and storage. When upstream memory costs rise, downstream companies have only two choices: absorb the cost and hurt margins, or raise prices and pass the bill to consumers. That is the interesting part. The hotter AI gets, the more leverage upstream suppliers like Micron have. But end-device brands like Apple face a tug-of-war between costs and consumer prices. So this is not a story where all technology stocks rise together. It is a story about profit redistribution across the tech supply chain. Whoever sells the water and electricity of the AI era may be able to raise prices. Whoever sells the final product must ask, will consumers pay the AI bill? Watch three things next: how long memory pricing holds, whether Apple can pass costs through, and whether AI revenue can catch up with the hardware bill. My view: the AI trade is not over, but the rules are changing. The market will not only reward companies that tell an AI story, it will reward companies that control scarce resources. One-line takeaway: Micron sells the shovels of the AI era. Apple has to find out whether consumers will pay more when those shovels get expensive. That is why AI is not a free lunch. The bill does not disappear. It just gets redistributed across the supply chain.